In this video, we will show you how to deposit funds to FXChoice using your Skrill account. Before starting, you will need to register an account with Skrill to use this payment method. To start, log into your account at myfxchoice.com and ensure your account has been verified. Select Deposit from the menu on the left, then select Skrill from the available options. From the drop-down account list, select the account you want to deposit to. Enter the deposit amount and select the currency you'd like to deposit in from the drop-down currency list and click Submit. You'll see a summary of the transaction to ensure you submitted everything correctly. Click Confirm to proceed. You'll be redirected to the Skrill login page. Enter your Skrill account details to log in. Once you've logged in, choose the Pay option and follow any on-screen instructions. Your deposit with Skrill should now be complete. If you have any questions, contact our support by hitting the support link in the description. Thank you for choosing FXChoice.